Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has urged the Prime Minister to suspend the implementation of the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin, saying it undermines the core intent of the MG Narega. In a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he said the law weakens the right to work, centralizes decision making, and shifts an unfair financial burden onto states. He argued that replacing MG Narega's demand driven, rights based framework with a centrally controlled system raises serious constitutional, financial, and governance concerns. Siddaramaiah said the promised guarantee of 125 days of work was not absolute, as it depended on centrally fixed normative allocations for notified areas. He warned that these parameters, when not defined in law, could be changed unilaterally and were not framed in consultation with states. He said the shift would turn the scheme into a supply-driven, top-down model, weakening the role of Gram Panchayats in preparing labour budgets. He also cautioned that states could face full financial liability for employment demand beyond the centre's allocation, making the guarantee dependent on state finances. The Chief Minister further flagged concerns over the proposed annual suspension of the scheme during peak sowing and harvesting seasons, saying it could increase distressed labour and reduce women's participation. He also said dropping Mahatma Gandhi's name diluted the scheme's moral authority. Siddaramaiah called for the centre's intervention to halt the rollout of the new act and begin consultations with states to protect the right to livelihood.